Welcome, everyone. React tutorial video, we will explore the features of ECMAScript 6, commonly referred to as ES6. ES6 is a scripting language that provides enhanced features and capabilities to modern web browser and other applications. Specifically, ES6 allows developers to use modern syntax and features including arrow functions, classes, block scope, template literals, and modules. Let's take a look at some of these features with examples. First, let's look at arrow functions. Arrow functions are a shorthand way of writing functions in JavaScript. It can help to reduce code clutter and make code more readable. For example, instead of using the traditional function syntax like this, function add x, y, return xy, you can use the arrow function syntax like this. Const add equals x, y equals greater than xy. Next, let's look at classes. Classes are a way to define objects in JavaScript. They define the structure of an object as well as the methods that can be used to interact with it. For example, we could create a simple person class like this. Class person, constructor, name, age. This dot name equals name. This dot age equals age. Introduce. Console.log, backquote hello, my name is $, this dot name, and I am $, this dot age, years old, backquote. Closing curly bracket dot. Finally, let's look at modules. Modules are JavaScript files that can be imported into other files to provide access to specific functions or objects.